Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Canzaro here. Today we're going to be making Bistecca Pizzaiola, which is steak pizzaiola style. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. Begin to fix my pizzaiola. I'm going to put some olive oil at the bottom. The pizzaiola is like 90% done. I'm going to add these pepper strips and let it cook for maybe a couple more minutes, and it's done. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit.